Sa IMG namin natutunan that we need to use time wisely because time is money. The sooner you save, the better for your future. Procrastination is the enemy of saving. And when people are young, they delay saving because they think they have a lot of time. So, kumbaga, kami nga, 2 years kami bago nag-start, mag-ipon, kasi nga, grabe yung procrastination and doubt, maybe ganyan din yung nafe-feel mo, but I realized that time na natuto ako, mas marami para yung pera na nawala sa akin, kumpara sa isisimula ko na maging part ng IMG community at matuto pa ng mas marami para mas marami pang maitabi. Ang kagandahan ngayon, ang lucky po ninyo kasi noon 500 pesos yung top up, ngayon 20 pesos na lang sa mutual fund. Join na!